So the middle finger should be longer than the ring finger. So let's get rid of that. And how's it going, sunshine? Had to look at my nails to see the. Yes. Well, my nails are really just arc, like they're not square, but they're arched at the top. But for me to help me to remember, I call them trapezoids. All right, that knuckle goes there, and the top of the fingernail starts at the half of that knuckle, and then we're going to swing it out, and then we're going to finish the bottom, and then we're going to add that. And we're going to hide this finger behind the ring finger, the middle finger. All right, that's enough hands right now. That's enough thinking. Flat Cap is here as well, Sunshine. Thank you for joining us. Oh, there's your shout out. Sunshine S Games is a gamer streamer as well. All right, what else is going on in the world today? Not only is today Tuesday, December 12th, 2023, not only is it Health Coverage Day, go ahead and get your health coverage. Not only is it Day of Neutrality, I'm not going to tell you how I feel about that. Not only is it Ding-a-ling Day, no comment. No, don't say it. I am not a ding-a-ling. Not only is it Ambrosia Day, I don't know what it is. It's a food. I think there's yogurt involved. Ambrosia. It's also Poinsettia Day. Well, of course, it's the middle of December. It should be Poinsettia Day. Go out and get your poinsettias. We've not done any decorating as of yet. I'm so ashamed. I haven't done any lights. I haven't rigged up the lights. It's been raining for many weekends. There have been other priorities. It's been a long time since I've rigged up the lights because, well, unemployment makes you want to save the electricity bill, so you don't rig up the lights. And I'm pretty sure that the lights are, after 4 years of not rigging up the lights, they're not ready to be rigged up yet. There are many bulbs that are no longer useful. So maybe next year for the lights. It's already too late for the lights. I did see something on YouTube about how to use foam board in order to make silhouette shapes, and then you put LED lights behind those silhouettes, and then you put that in your window. That looks like something that I would want to do. Put an LED strip up and left them up, but last year sections burnt out and had no time to fix them. Yeah, I've done that in the past as well. And then you become that guy in the neighborhood who never takes down the Christmas lights. And you know, I'm artistic and creative. I don't want to do just any kind of old lights. And I want it to be significant. I want it to make people think of the birth of Christ. I've still not hit the significant light show level as of yet. It's not like I'm not going to win any contests. I'm not going to win any decoration contests like that movie. I think Eddie Murphy is in a movie right now about winning a light contest. I could change colors, so we turn red for Valentine's and green for St. Pat's. Truth be told, we do have Christmas decorations all over the house from Christmases past, the Ghosts of Christmas Past decorations are all around the house. Alright, so now we're going to start our trapezoid right here, and then bring it down. And then it's not exactly a trapezoid. It does have some curves. So let's see if we want to curve it down or curve it up. I think we want to curve it up this time. Nope, I was wrong. I was absolutely wrong. We want to curve it down. Because depending on the perspective, depending on the